A very happy 90th birthday, dearest mummy. May you have a day as bright as the sun, as beautiful as your smile, as lovely as your love. You have reached this milestone birthday in such a positive and lively manner. Really proud of you. The children, especially little Vanya, so excited. Subhash and me also plan to celebrate here. बहारों फूल बरसाओ, मेरा महबूब आया है, मोम का बर्थडे आया है. Dad used to hum this song. Please continue to shower your blessings on us. I'm really missing you because it's so long since I met you. Love to all of you.
Hey, how are you? I hope you're all fine over there. हम आपके लिए बहुत तैयारियां कर रहे हैं अब आपके बर्थडे की पार्टी के लिए, प्लस वीडियो बना के सब लोग कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं अपना अपना फीलिंग्स आपके लिए. दे ऑल लव यू. वी एज अ फैमिली, संगीता, पूजा, अक्षय, भानु, सुधांशु, everybody is looking forward to see you sometime in the near future. आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो on the 90th birthday, and it is very rare for anybody to reach this age without any ailments, and you are, I think in my life you are the second one who has done so, who is maybe looking forward to more years for you and with full of health and energy. बाकी सब कुछ ठीक ठाक है. अभी we are looking forward to see you and have a party from you also on this, and everything is fine, mummy. All the best, take care and have a good health. Thank you.
हैप्पी स्पेशल बर्थडे मम्मी. होप कि आपका 90th बर्थडे सबसे अच्छा बर्थडे हो. हमने खूब प्लान्स बनाए हैं एंड होप कि आप बहुत एंजॉय करो. हम लकी हैं कि हम आपके साथ हैं और खूब मजे करेंगे. सो हमेशा खुश रहो, हेल्दी रहो और गाते रहो.
हाँ मम्मी, लास्ट 1.5 years कोरोना में आपके साथ खूब टाइम स्पेंड किया है. ये स्पेशल इसी बहाने से अब 90th आएगा तो और एंजॉय करेंगे. आपके लिए एक स्पेशल सरप्राइज बन रहा है. होप यू एंजॉय इट एंड मे यू स्पेंड मेनी मोर इयर्स विद अस. हैप्पी 90th बर्थडे.
हैप्पी 90th बर्थडे.
ऑल द बेस्ट.
Happy birthday, Nana. Nana, this is your 90th birthday. And you've not only been the best grandmother one can hope for, but you've been a third parent for me. So loving, so caring. And you've inspired me positively in so many ways. You can't even imagine. I've seen you taking such good care of everyone around you, starting from Mataji to all your siblings, to both your children, giving them so much confidence, to grandchildren, and now Vanya. And I really hope we can all meet you soon so that you can also spend most of your time with Vanya. And happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Nana. Hope you're having a great day. आपको बहुत 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 मुबारक 90th बर्थडे. आई विश हम सब वहाँ होते आपके साथ सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए, बट ये अनफॉर्चुनेटली सिचुएशन ऐसा है. बट आई एम श्योर हम बहुत जल्दी साथ में होंगे. एंड आई मिस वो दिन जब आप यहाँ आए थे. हम इतना घूमे थे, एम्स्टर्डम गए थे, इतना वॉक किया था, ट्रेन ऑन ऑल दोज जर्नीज. दैट वाज अ वेरी नाइस टाइम. जब स्पेशली मैंने इतना टाइम स्पेंड किया और हमने खूब बातें की. तो आई मिस ऑल दैट टाइम, बट आई एम श्योर सून दैट विल कम बैक. एंड सून इधर इंडिया या नेदरलैंड्स हम फिर से मिलेंगे. तो अगेन विशिंग यू अ वेरी वेरी नाइस हैप्पी बर्थडे. एंड हम आपसे फिर से बात करेंगे. ओके,
Bye.
बाय.
Happy birthday, Nana. Love you. I'm a good girl and you're Satan. And I love you. Bye bye. Good night.
Hi Nana, wish you a very happy birthday and congratulations on reaching this milestone of a birthday. I think we are all very lucky to have you in our life. And I must say that you have been a very fun Nana to spend time with. I have loads of pleasant memories of spending time with you in Chandigarh and then later on in Delhi, going out to different places and also spending time at your home. I know abhi bahut time ho gaya hai since we have met and I really miss you. It's good, I think, कि मैं Bombay आया आपको मिलने before I just left for the UK and we got to spend some quality time together. But hopefully we'll get to meet very soon. But at the same time, I wish you a fun-filled, memorable birthday and love you lots. Take care.
Hi Dadiji, wish you a very very happy birthday. Looking forward to seeing you on your 90th birthday and celebrate it together.
Happy birthday, Mummy ji. I hope you have a great day, and I am looking forward to celebrating it with you. And I also want to take this opportunity to tell you that I think you are a real inspiration for all of us to, as an example of how we should live our lives. We should be happy, stress free, and always positive. I think positive thoughts are very important, and that is something we have always observed with you and learned from you. And I hope that we can make this birthday memorable for you, and we hope we can also continue to make many memories, spend time together. And yeah, we want to come over and make this birthday as much fun as we can for you.
See you very very soon.
Yes.
And spend some happy moments.
Yes, happy birthday
Happy
again.
birthday.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello Mom ji, happy birthday. Hope you're doing well. I know इस बार आपके बर्थडे के लिए नहीं हूँ मैं, पर जब भी नेक्स्ट टाइम आऊँगा तो हम अच्छे से मनाएंगे, फिर से दो बर्थडे हो जाएंगी आपकी. और तब तक के लिए होप यू आर डूइंग वेल एंड लव यू लॉट्स फ्रॉम स्काई टू अर्थ.
हंसते निरम तू सोने गम तू साल मुबारक हो जो आज. A very, very, very happy 90th birthday to you, Auntie. Always known you as a fiercely independent, always live life on your own terms. A very affectionate lady. Hope you continue to live life on your own terms. Over to Janu.
Hi Auntie, wish you a very very happy 90th birthday. She said all the things normally that I would have said when she's there. I normally can't talk. But anyways, wish you a very long, healthy, happy life. Happy birthday, Auntie.
Hello Auntie, wishing you a very very happy birthday, a landmark birthday, and many happy returns a day, many more to come. Since my childhood, I have been seeing you and remember the days at Patiala, Chandigarh, and lately at Delhi, when we all used to get together during Diwali, Rakhi or Tikka at your place and enjoyed all the hospitality. We all used to meet together and enjoy those fun days. I wish that someday we could all get together again, enjoy those days, and wishing you once again all the best and many more days, happy days to come.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, great grandma. Happy birthday to you. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Happy birthday, Auntie.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Happy birthday, Auntie.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, great grandma. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Wishing you good health and happiness. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie. I have always admired your personality and your zest for life. You live life to the fullest. I remember the time when you took your first trip abroad to Singapore. You went in with a carrier bag and came back with the 20 kg allowance, which was allowed that time. I remember the time when you were such a good hostess when we used to visit you in Chandigarh or en route to Manali or Shimla. I still remember those days, and I look forward to all our get-togethers here, when especially Rakhi and Tikka, when you make it so special with your lovely songs. I pray to God, Auntie, that He grants you a very happy and healthy life. And once again, wishing you the best today and always. Bye. Have a great day. Happy birthday.
हेलो आंटी जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे। कितना अच्छा लगता हम सारे मिलते, इकट्ठे मनाते। डॉलर तो गोवा का भी प्लान बना रहा था, लेकिन ये कोविड से सब गड़बड़ हो गई। कितना हम एंजॉय करते थे जब चंडीगढ़ आते थे, पहाड़ों में जब हम जाते थे, हमेशा आपको मिल के जाना। चाहे शिमला जा रहे होते थे, मनाली जा रहे होते थे, हमेशा आपको मिलते थे, आते हुए जाते हुए। इतना एंजॉय करते थे चंडीगढ़ में। और शिमला में जब आप बेनमोर में होते थे, हम ग्रैंड होटल में होते थे शिमला में, फिर माल रोड पे मिलते थे, घूमते थे, कितना अच्छा लगता था। और ऐसे ही जब आप मुनीरका में थे, तो जब मैं इधर आता था गुड़गांव की तरफ, हमेशा कई दफ़ा आपको रास्ते में मिलता था आपको। और ये दिवाली पे, राखी पे हमेशा इकट्ठे होते थे हम सारे। ये कोविड की वजह से सब गड़बड़ हुई पड़ी है। जैसे ये कोविड ख़त्म होता है, कोई ना कोई मिलने का प्रोग्राम बनाते हैं और इकट्ठे होते हैं सारे। बहुत टाइम हो गया इकट्ठे हुए। ओके आंटी जी, हैव अ वंडरफुल डे, हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन, ऑल द बेस्ट, बाय।
Happy birthday, Auntie. You know what a special place you hold in our hearts, and you always will. I think the way you live your life and the way you are with everyone is just really amazing, and we look up to you for that. You have been a grandmother to all of us while you are the coolest and we call you Auntie. We wish you the very, very best and the best in life and the best of health. May you keep singing, may you keep entertaining, may you keep playing cards with us and live for 100 more years. We love you.
Auntie, you're my favorite Tash partner. Every Diwali season, you are the person I look forward to playing cards with the most. Hope we get to celebrate lots and lots more Diwalis together.
Happy birthday, Swati Auntie. Hope you have a great day and hope we see you soon.
राधा स्वामी जी, आपका बर्थडे आंटी जी। आज दिन खुशियां दा चढ़िया है। हमारी प्यारी प्यारी दुलारी माँ जैसी आप खास हैं। फ्रेनी और डॉलर की तो जान हैं। हम सब भी आप पे कुर्बान हैं। देखो जी देखो, आया आपका खास जन्मदिन है। देखो जी देखो, आया आपका खास जन्मदिन है। दिन है खास, खुशियों का फरमान है। इसलिए हमारे दिलों में आपके लिए अपार प्यार है। महाराज जी की मेहर है, हम सब में प्यार है और आपका आशीर्वाद हमारे साथ है। आपकी उम्र हो हजारों साल, ये हमारी आरज़ू है। आप तो हमारी जान हैं, आप तो हमारी शान हैं। हमारी प्यारी प्यारी दुलारी माँ जैसी आप खास हैं। हैप्पी बर्थडे आंटी जी, बहुत बहुत प्यार। घुट के जब भी ते घुट के प्यार। आई विश वी वर देयर टू सेलिब्रेट विद यू आवरसेल्व्स, बट देखो महाराज जी की दया होगी तो आएंगे आपके पास और वी विल सेलिब्रेट अगेन। अच्छा आंटी जी, बहुत बहुत प्यार।
Namaste auntie, wish you a very very happy birthday and wish you a very healthy and long life. May God bless you और आपका साया हमेशा हमारे सिर पे बना रहे. That will be so nice. अनिल बोलेंगे अब.
हाँ जी मासी जी, राधा स्वामी, may Maharaj ji give you a very very long and a healthy life and cherishable memories for us. We would love to come to your birthday to Goa, but we cannot because of the pandemic. But anyway, maybe next year. Love you. Bye.
Fitri, I remember you when I was at Delhi, at Chandigarh with you when after for some time I enjoyed your company. Now I wish you happy 90th birthday, and I also wish that you complete 1 century like me. I am 98.7 months only 1.5 years is left for a century. So we should both do century so that we set an example in our family to to come to that century level which nobody has gone so far. And I wish you again happy birthday, and I thank Dollar also for looking after you so well that you are now 90th birthday is there.
Hello Babiji, happy birthday, happy 90th. That is like an achievement. और बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. You brought me into Kakkar family and you remained like a mother to me always. Every time we came on chutti, we went to Ambala, Chandigarh, everywhere, and you welcomed us. I'm forever grateful to you, and you're very, very close to me, and love you.
Many happy returns of the day, Savitri Auntie. May God keep you healthy and happy always. Love you.
A very happy 90th birthday, Savitri Auntie, from Amal, Nishka, Naresh and myself. I have to say that you made it to this grand number because truly you are so happy and cheerful most of the time and disciplined, and I really admire the way you've given very sound parenting for Sangeeta, Rani and Dollar, and it's been wonderful to have had you in Bombay, thanks to Dollar and me being in Bombay together. And every Rakhi, I just love those songs you sing, and we enjoy so much whenever we are together. And I can't tell you how happy all of us are. You've had a wonderful relationship with so many people, all those people around you, and I'm sure you will continue to be this happy person, and I wish you once again a grand and a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Auntie, I remember when we came to Kullu in 1965, I was 11 years of age, and I still carry wonderful memories about you, Uncle, and good old days. I still recall those days. You were so graceful, so nice, and so loving.
As a child, I saw, when I was growing up, I saw you in a very elegant person, and always looked up to you. And I remember such good memories of Shakti Nagar and later on Chandigarh. Auntie, have a great day. We all love you, and we are very, very happy 90th birthday.
Hello, Auntie. On this good day, self and Sangeeta wish you a very happy 90th birthday. Congratulations for having reached this all important milestones of 90 years. We wish you good health, and may you continue to live long for us to watch you living an age up till 100. May you see many more sunshines to come, and keep us in your blessed company.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Savitri Auntie. Hope your 90th milestone is as special as you are. As a little girl, I've always remembered you as the dignified aunt who, and I'm so much in awe of you. You've constantly led your life with so much dignity and independence. As I've grown older, you are one of my favorite aunts, and you're always praising my singing. So here's a little song for you. Tum jiyo हजारों साल साल के दिन हो 50,000.
Auntie, wishing you many, many happy returns of the day. This is to the most gorgeous, elegant Taiji I've had. Wishing you all the best for your 90th. You still look young and happy. I remember the days when you used to come to Shakti Nagar. We used to be so proud of you. You used to look so beautiful and elegant. Wishing you many, many, many happiness. Stay safe, stay healthy, and wish to see you soon.
Savitri, on this special occasion of your birthday, I would like to wish you many more years of health and happiness. I remember the days when you were in Delhi and I used to call you regularly and we used to be in touch with each other. And your visits to Mumbai were very much looked forward by me. We used to have a nice time going to the parks, attending lunches in various Mumbai clubs and many more things, having get-togethers of the friends, and it has been fun being friends with you. I still remember the songs you used to sing, the bhajans you used to sing, especially one bhajan which came out very well and used to sing beautifully is Radha ढूंढ रही किसी ने मेरा शाम देखा. It was lovely, and it's your attitude towards the life which has really impressed me. Your recent bhajans on YouTube are really beautiful, and it's hats off to you for being so active on everything. I'm wishing you once again many more years of happiness to you. Happy birthday, Savitri.
Happy birthday, Savitri ji. Many, many happy returns of the day. बारी बारी दिन ये आई, बारी बारी दिल ये गाई, तुम जियो हजारों साल ये हमारी आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to dear Savitri ji, happy birthday to you. Enjoy your birthday with your family. God bless you always. आप हमेशा यूं ही स्वस्थ रहें, मस्त रहें, कभी चुटकुले, कभी प्रवचन, कभी भजन सुनाते हुए व्यस्त रहें. यही है हमारी आरज़ू. Bye. All the best. God bless you. Proud to be your friend forever. Bye.
Hello, Switi ji. Wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with good health. I'm in Australia, Sydney, with my son, and I miss those days which we spent together in Delhi. You were a very good friend and a very good neighbor. We both have spent some quality time together. I miss those days. I remember our going together to the clubs, restaurant and movies. Hope to see you again soon. Once I come to India, I'll try to meet you. With all the best, once again, wish you a very happy birthday.
तुम जियो हजारों साल साल के दिन हो 50,000. तुम जियो हजारों साल साल के दिन हो 50,000. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Savitri. Happy birthday to you.
One person who has been constant in my life ever since my childhood is Kakkada Aunty. She has given me unconditional love and support. I wish her all the best and a very joyful and happy 90th with the family. Love you lots, Aunty.
जी नमस्ते जी, बहुत बहुत मुबारक आपको जन्मदिन की, और आपको तंदुरुस्ती दे भगवान, बहुत अच्छी सेहत रहे आपकी, हमेशा लंबी उम्र हो गए. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे.
नमस्ते आंटी जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे आंटी जी. कैसे हैं आप आंटी जी? बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो
आंटी जी आपको जन्मदिन की।
नमस्ते आंटी, हैप्पी बर्थडे आंटी, मैनी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे।
आंटी जी ये मेरा बेटा है छोटा वाला और ये बड़ा है।
नमस्ते आंटी।
और आई मिस यू आंटी, आई मिस यू सो मच आंटी जी। मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। हैप्पी बर्थडे आंटी जी।
मेरी नानी हो।
हाँ आप बोलो नानी हैप्पी बर्थडे।
नानी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।